Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, welcome to the virtual class of biology. Today our topic is the nervous system of frog. In frog, the nervous system is the set of organs which controls and coordinate all the activities of the body as like human. Nervous system of frog are of two types, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system in frog is composed of brain and spinal cord. And brain is actually the central nervous system anterior part, which is almost bilaterally symmetrical, enlarged in connection with aggregation of sense organs in head region. It controls the mental activities and coordination. Spinal cord within the backbone consists of hollow tube, but the hole is very small and the wall relatively and unevenly thick, and it controls the movement of the trunk region. In central nervous system, there were only brain and spinal cord, but in peripheral nervous system, various nerves associated with the body part exist. Number 1, cranial nerves. Number 2, spinal nerves. Cranial nerves are of different types. They originate from brain. Spinal nerves originate from the spinal cord and help in coordination. They are of many types. Number 1, sensory nerves. Number 2, motor nerves. Number 3, mixed nerves. Number 4, automatic nerves. If we see, the brain of frog has different parts. First part is forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. The part of brain which is composed of olfactory lobes and cerebrum is called forebrain. Olfactory lobes, as you see in the picture, is the uppermost part of the brain. Function of olfactory lobes is that they are associated with the sense of smell. Cerebrum is two elongated parts or hemisphere which are joined to each other. They are prominent in the picture if you see it, and the posterior end, they remain separate in the middle. Function of the cerebrum is they receive the messages from internal and external environment of the body and control the intelligence and memory. Midbrain are of two parts, optic lobes and diencephalon. Optic lobes are two oval-shaped bodies as you seeing in the picture, and the function of optic lobes is to control the sense of vision. Diencephalon has a flat part of the brain which is supply of blood capillaries. The dorsal surface of diencephalon has a pineal body which has a pituitary gland. The function of it is to secrete the hormones of pituitary glands. Hindbrain is posterior part of the brain. It consists of cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum is the hind part and lies below the optic lobes. As you are seeing in the picture, it controls and coordinates body movement and maintain balance of the body. Medulla oblongata, the last part of the hindbrain, which has a triangular conical shape, is called medulla oblongata. Function of medulla oblongata is to control respiration, circulation of blood, taste and digestion in frog. Dear student, today we have learned so many things. Today we learned about the nervous system of frog, which is consist of central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. And the central nervous system of frogs also consist of brain and spinal cord. Brain has three main parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Peripheral nervous system consists of so many nerves which are originated from the brain, and they are called cranial nerves, while nerves originating from spinal cords are called spinal nerves. Dear student, to make it useful, the lesson we have to give you a home assignment. You have to revise the central nervous system of frog in detail and describe the different parts of the brain of frog with a label diagram. We hope so that you will do it with interest. See you. Allah Hafiz. Till the next time.